Buong mundo ay naapektuhan ng pandemic na ito. Isa ka rin ba sa nagkaroon ng malubhang sakit? Hindi ka rin ba makalabas ng tahanan? At dahil dyan, nawalan ka ng trabaho? Nawalan ka rin ng negosyo na inaasahan mo para sa iyong mga pangarap? Do not worry, kasi sabi nga sa Isaiah 60, "Arise, shine, for your light has come." And right now, maipapakita kaming pag-asa para sa iyo. Welcome to I Am Worldwide, home of hope. So what is hope? This stands for health, opportunity, prosperity, and this is for everyone. Okay, so during this pandemic, naapektuhan tayo and ang daming nagkaroon ng problem regarding their finances. Okay, I do believe you are here because you saw this video presentation through a friend. May nag-send sa'yo ng video na to na hindi mo kakilala or nakita mo lang dito sa YouTube. So I think this is really best for you kasi we will be discussing what are the industries affected by this pandemic. Ano nga ba? Okay, number 1, aviation, fitness, restaurant, sports, even entertainment, transport, tourism, and hospitality, because it includes what we call the social gathering or mass gathering. Okay, so parang maraming tao na mapupunta dyan because itong mga multi-million industries na ito is kailangan ng tao. Okay, and prohibited ngayon ang mga mass gathering and prohibited ngayon ang contact with other persons. Okay, so sabi nga dito sa news, yung DOLE, nag-estimate sila na may 10 million workers na mawawalan ng trabaho this year due to COVID-19 pandemics. And also, makikita nyo sa naka-flash screens, even mga multi-million businesses na nag-lay off na sila, okay, because hindi nila kaya ang nangyayari because of this pandemic. Okay, kumbaga hindi nila kaya mag-provide ng salary sa kanilang employees because madami nga pong affected and walang pumapasok na income. That's the reality. Okay, so meron tayong 2 kinds of business. Okay, bakit ba nagkakaroon ng ganito? So meron tayong traditional business. So yung traditional business, it requires big capital. It requires rent, electricity, water, labor, and miscellaneous. Whereas meron tayong tinatawag na non-traditional. So what is non-traditional? Ang non-traditional, it doesn't need big capital, rent, electricity, water, labor, and miscellaneous. Meaning to say, it can stand alone kahit wala yung mga yan. So i-explain ko later ano ba yun. Okay, pero basically, most of the non-traditional businesses are online. Okay, because in online, you don't need a crew, you don't need labor, you don't need water, electricity, you just need a cell phone. Okay, so yun lang yung kailangan mo, or sometimes you just need an internet or a gadget. Okay, so ito yung best combination daw ng business na gagawin natin if nandito ka ngayon sa gitna ng pandemic. Okay, number 1 is if your business is aligned through healthcare, patok yan. Okay, kasi ang tao ngayon takot magkasakit. And if your business is online, patok na patok din yan. Okay, kasi lahat nga ng negosyo natin ngayon and lahat nga ng mga tao ngayon is takot lumabas. Kaya lahat tayo ino-online na lang. So yun ang best combination, healthcare and online. Okay, so welcome again to I Am Worldwide. So this is the home of hope. And according nga kay Miss Heart Evangelista, success is having the right partner. And having said that, here is the video of Miss Heart Evangelista Escudero.
Hindi ito showbiz. Let's talk about real life. With all my heart, I tell you this. Success is all about having the right partner. Friends, I recommend to you I Am Worldwide Partnerships. It's established by my friends AM and Aika, and together with Anna, their partnership has made I Am Worldwide one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic companies. You ask, what's their winning formula? I Am Worldwide has a unique one-account policy. Just one single account that you nurture and grow. Dito sa atin, isa lang. Meron din tayong kakaibang bonus programs just for you and give me 5. Bawi ng puhunan mo, may dagdag kita pa. Dito lang yan sa I Am Worldwide. built on the powerful idea of great partnerships and innovative products. Marami nang umasenso with IM Worldwide. So many have enjoyed free travel, free cars, free house and lots, and that's on top of the commissions they earn. Amazing? Tayo na nga may ganyan. And most importantly, with the Lord's guidance, we'd be able to help others and our loved ones. With IM Worldwide, it's partnership and prosperity for a higher purpose. It's time to think big. Think IM Worldwide as your partner. We'll help you find your purpose and realize your potential. Your one amazing chance is here. Give it your best shot.
So sinasabi niya na meron dong mga just for you and give me 5. Later, we will go through that and i-explain ko sa inyo paano yun nangyayari. Okay, so to start with, and explain ko lang brief, IM Worldwide is actually a multi-awarded company. So makikita nyo sa screens, yan yung mga awards po natin. Okay? So, yan, marami, mababasa nyo na lang dyan. We need to make it fast this video, so hindi ko na kailangan isa-isahin pa. We have our founders, Mr. Allen Marvin Eder as our president, and Miss Aika Lorraine Uy as our vice president. They are also multi-awarded personalities in this kind of industry. And of course, we have our certificate. So, kompleto po tayo. Ayan, naka-flash screen. Okay, so legit yan. And then, we are also awarded with Super Brands. We had our first year anniversary sa Mall of Asia Arena. So, napuno po natin yan. Kahit na 1 year pa lang tayo. On our second year anniversary, dito naman po sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. And on our third year anniversary, it is actually live on national television. Dito po sa Itbulaga. It's actually the Itbulaga. Ayan na, makikita nyo. They posted na magkakaroon po ng digital party celebration. Okay, so, pwede po yan sa FB Live and of course, dyan din sa TV. Okay, and of course, we are partners with Mr. Manny Pacquiao. Makikipag-business ka na lang din. Ang nag-endorse pa is si Manny Pacquiao. Naku, you should not waste time. You should try this immediately. Okay, so let's focus more on health. Kasi nga, maraming tao ang gusto sa health. Okay, so ano ba yung health na yan? Sabi nga ni Mahatma Gandhi, it is health that is the real wealth. Okay, so this is today's reality. Children and teenager, as you can see, ang time and health niyan unlimited, pero ang money wala pa. Kasi nanggagaling yan sa parents. Okay, for the adults, siguro ikaw adults ka na. Yan yung mostly mga employed or mga professionals na able pa mag-work. So yung time niyan hindi ganun ka-available. Yung health and money niyan is okay pa. Kasi usually yan yung nasa peak ka ng career mo na nag-earn ka ng money. And kapag ka naman elderly, ito yung mga elderly, this is 99.9% happening. Ang time niyan unlimited, ang health po niya nagsastart na mag-deteriorate, and ang money po niyan is dalawang klase. It's either pensionado or it's either sustentado. Pero ito yung nakakalungkot. Minsan wala pang time, wala pang health, wala pang money. You should try IM Worldwide to prevent that from happening. Okay, so meron tayong real life testimony. This is our own ambassadress, Miss Maritoni Fernandez, and the sole distributor of IM Worldwide. Okay, so sabi nga dito, Miss Maritoni Fernandez was diagnosed with breast cancer noong 2001, and then na-discover niya lang yung barley sa internet, and then tinook niya yun alongside with chemotherapy without the consent of her doctor. Kasi nga ang mga doctors po hindi sila into organic. Okay, so to cut the long story short, gumaling po siya sa kanyang cancer. So you can search it on YouTube or on the internet. You can surf the web and you can search for testimonies of Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Nagkalat po and naglipa na. Okay, so ito nga yung about the pure barley grass. So according kay Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, it is the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age, meaning to say it can sustain lahat ng nutrients na kailangan natin from A to Z. Okay, 'di ba? Usually kapag ka mga bata, iba yung kinakain, pag matanda, iba rin yung kinakain. Dito po, from bata hanggang matanda, masusupply o masusustain ng needs ng katawan natin through the nutrients coming from the barley. Sabi niya nga dito, may research has shown that the green leaves of the young barley plant contains the most prolific balanced supply of nutrients that exists on earth in a single source. It is actually stated in the Bible, 37 times mentioned in the Bible. So ito po yung mga Bible verses, as you can see. So zoom in ko na. Okay, para makita mo, and Asian facts din, ito din, no? So mababasa nyo po dyan. And then, it has also the ORAC value. Okay, so sa ORAC value makikita nyo po. Ayan, so sobrang taas pala ng barley. Akala natin yung mga nakasulat na dyan, yun yung pinakamataas na ORAC value. Pero hindi natin alam, it is barley grass na times 5 ng ORAC value ng prudes. Okay? So ito po yung next natin is, ito yung barley. Ano ba yung nagagawa ng barley? Number 1, it destroys cancer cells. It builds immunity against diseases. It is a slimming toxin remover. It smoothens and whitens the skin, cures and prevents allergies, lowers cholesterol, prevents colds and flu, slows the aging process, improves blood circulation, boosts energy, prevents arthritis, and lowers blood sugar. Okay, so it is endorsed by Mr. Piolo Pascual as well. We have our billboard sa EDSA, and then we have some endorsements sa internet. Okay, so you can see Mr. Piolo Pascual there. Okay, and then of course, si Mr. Terence Romeo naman sa ating capsule na barley, because we have two variants, the capsule and the powdered one. So we have this video pertaining our barley, where it is coming from, and how potent it is. Watch this video.
I am Maritoni Fernandez, and we are in the middle of a barley field here in Swan Hill, Australia. We are giving you the world's best, and this is why I've come all the way to Australia, to show that this is where it comes from. You can't get any better than this. It's more than I ever imagined it would be. It's cold.
Well, we think we have the best barley in the world because of our clean irrigation water. Water comes from the Murray River, which is a freshwater river. All our drinking water comes from the Murray River too. So one of three factors also is this organic property was a dairy farm before we started growing our certified crops here. So it's full of nutrients, and also the climate is perfect for growing winter cereals. Clean, green, certified organic.
When you get to the processing plant itself, the barley smell is so intoxicating. It smells so clean and so fresh, and you can really tell that it just got harvested. And if anything, it feels so healthy. It smells healthy.
It takes up to 3 years to have the farm certified organic. That's going away from conventional farming practices that require nasty herbicides and pesticides. We're certified with NASA, which is one of the Australian certifications for organic. It's quite an intense process.
A lot of people say that they have organic products, but actually what they don't understand is how stringent the tests are. They get spot checked. So at any given time, NASA can come over here and pick up barley from their fields, and if they don't pass, their license gets taken away, which means no pesticides, no chemicals, none of that stuff goes into this land. From the time it's grown, all the way up until packing the barley powder and shipping it to us in the Philippines, no chemicals ever touches it. Nutri-Green Australia is actually the only organic barley farm in the whole of Australia. And I am truly proud to say that we are now the sole distributor in the Philippines for Nutri-Green barley.
IAM Worldwide gets its barley grass powders from Herbal, which sources them from us at Nutri-Green, so you're guaranteed the best barley grass powders in the world.
Okay, so let us proceed to our other products. So we have coffee. So ito naman para to sa mga may hilig magkape. So we have cafe latte. So it has the same benefit with barley. Kasi ito po is, it comes with barley. And of course, it has alkaline. Okay, kasi ang alkaline po is anti-acidity. So hindi ka magiging acidic if you will take this coffee. Okay, meron din tayong other flavor, cafe mocha. Same benefit with the other one. And meron din tayong coffee that rejuvenates, which is coffee with glutathione. We also have coffee with Tongkat Ali. So as we all know, Tongkat Ali is actually a libido support. Okay, so this is great for men. Okay, and then of course, meron din po tayong endorser. This is endorsed by no other than Yorme Isko Moreno and the international ambassadors po natin, Bob and Clint Moffat.
Ito na pala si Yorme.
Amazing morning, Yorme.
Amazing morning. Ready ka na? Okay, yeah. Hi, Yorme. What wakes you up every day? Mainit na kape. Pampagising sa umaga. Ano po ang secret ninyo staying strong and energized? Oh, coffee energizes me. Sir Isko, gaano kayo kadalas mag-coffee? About 4 or 5 cups a day. Is there someone who keeps you going despite a tiring day? Eddie si Eddie, Eddie si Amazing Coffee Mix. Pero seryoso, ito yung kapeng partner ko araw-araw. Para sa akin, masarap siya. Lakas makapagpagising. Talaga nagbibigay sa akin ng additional push. I love this coffee. Yung coffee mix with Tongkat Ali. Yung coffee mix with glutathione. Yung coffee with barley and alkaline. Amazing. Liga, take-ups tayo.
And then we also have this Garcinia Cambogia. So ito naman pampapayat po ito. Okay, so ano ba ang benefit na nagagawa nitong pampapayat na ito? You should watch this video.
Suffering from obesity, cholesterol problems, an increase in your blood sugar level, and depression due to weight challenges? Tired of rigorous exercises, a torturous diet, and the unpleasant taste and high cost of dietary supplements? Or simply just wanting to lose the excess fat and reach that desired weight? I Am Worldwide Corporation's amazing Garcinia Slimming Juice is your answer. What is Garcinia Cambogia? Garcinia Cambogia is a tropical citrus fruit that may be found in Southeast Asia. It is also known as the Malabar tamarind. This small, pumpkin-looking, greenish to pale yellowish colored fruit is a very good source of hydrocytic acid, or HCA, which helps prevent calories from being stored as fat. Understanding the benefits of Garcinia Cambogia is as easy as ABC. A. Appetite suppressant. Garcinia Cambogia disrupts the conversion of carbohydrates into fat within the body. This process gives a signal to the brain that your appetite is satisfied and promotes a feeling of fullness quicker than usual. B. It boosts your mood by reducing stress. Stress is reduced due to its organic compounds as it helps boost serotonin, which acts as an antidepressant. Serotonin is also called one's happy hormone and helps promote the feeling of being uplifted, encouraged, and determined to achieve their weight goals. C. Converts fat into energy. When we eat, our liver enzymes convert the sugars and carb components of our food into fat cells, causing belly fat. With the help of Garcinia Cambogia, these sugars and carbohydrates are converted into energy by promoting the production of glycogen, which is a form of energy storage in the human body. Yes, you can finally lose weight without that strict diet. More and more people are now falling in love with I Am Worldwide's amazing Garcinia Slimming Juice. It comes in a delicious grape-flavored juice drink and safe to take as it is sweetened by stevia and not sugar. So say goodbye to obesity, cholesterol, and blood sugar problems in a very affordable, delicious, and healthy way. For better results, drink a sachet an hour before each meal, followed by a full glass of water after for 12 weeks.
Ayan, so ito naman yung mga results. Okay, nakita nyo sa video kanina how it works. So these are the results of our 60-day challenge. Okay, so makikita nyo dyan na nagsipayatan talaga sila. Okay, so ang laki ng nilose nila. And the winner, take home 50,000 pesos. Okay, so we also have our organic skincare endorsed by Miss Christine Hermosa Soto. Okay, so this is all organic, so walang chemicals. Actually, it is very best if you will mix this with our barley. So pwede mo rin siyang gamitin habang nagbabarley ka kasi barley, it is cleaning your inside, and at the same time, if you're gonna be using our organic face cream or our soap or our body cream, nililinis na rin yung outside mo. We don't use any chemicals, and this is cruelty free because we don't use animal fats for these kinds of cosmetics. Okay, they are all natural. And then of course, we have the most beautiful girl in the Philippines according sa survey, Miss Liza Soberano, Acai Berry Extract with collagen and Bacopa Monnieri. Sabi nga dito, intelligently beautiful. So watch this video.
Want to be beautiful and intelligent simultaneously? Our latest product at I Am Worldwide promises to do just that. Welcome to the latest addition to our amazing line of products, endorsed by no less than the most beautiful woman in the world, Ms. Liza Soberano. The I Am Amazing Acai Berry Extract with Collagen and Bacopa Monnieri. Packed with 8 amazing food supplements to boost your brain power and help you maintain a youthful glow from within. So what exactly is in our I Am Amazing Acai Berry Extract with Collagen and Bacopa Monnieri? We combine 5 amazing supplements known for their various brain-boosting powers. First, Bacopa Monnieri, otherwise known as water hyssop extract, used in Ayurveda for neurological rejuvenation and enhancing one's memory while possessing a calming effect. Second, the acai berry extract, known for its extremely high antioxidant content that benefits the brain, heart, and overall health. Third, Gotu Kola, the herb of longevity, known for its power to boost brain function, improve memory, as well as heal skin issues, kidney health, and arthritis. Fourth, ginseng, which has long been believed to boost energy and improve the thinking process, as well as cognitive behavior while stimulating physical and mental activity in people feeling weak or tired. Fifth, turmeric, filled with compounds called curcuminoids, with its medicinal property to oxidize damaged cells and prevent aging. Boosts levels of brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons and fights various degenerative processes in your brain, such as Alzheimer's and/or depression. We also combined 3 amazing supplements known for their beautifying and anti-aging qualities. First, Omega-3, which heals the skin from inside out, repairing damaged cell membranes, making the skin more resilient with its anti-inflammatory properties that produce clearer skin. Second, marine collagen, the best type of collagen available in the market today. Possesses medical properties that help your skin look and stay youthful. Think of it as the glue that holds your body together. It is the reason your skin moves the way it does, bouncing back after you touch it. Last but not the least, our amazing organic barley powder from Australia, which is high in various essential vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids. A superfood known for its ability to repair our DNA at its cellular level, owing to the presence of superoxide dismutase, or SOD enzymes. Claimed as the most complete food known to man, it boosts brain power and is filled with anti-aging properties. So as you can see, you can be both beautiful and intelligent simply by enjoying your daily dose of I Am Amazing Acai Berry Extract with Collagen and Bacopa Monnieri Juice Mix. What are you waiting for? Be intelligently beautiful just like Liza.
So for the ambassadors, we have Piolo Pascual, Jessie Mendiola, Christine Hermoso Soto, Heart Evangelista Escudero Isko Moreno, Liza Soberano, Terrence Romeo, Maritoni Fernandez, Clint Moffat, and Bob Moffat. Ayan, so sa Itbulaga, we also have daily promotion. So makikita nyo, if you're watching GMA7, you can see us sa Itbulaga. Okay, and then ito naman po yung ating other endorsement. We have mga bus going to Navotas, may papunta po ng Bulacan, and then sa MRT, LRT, and sa EDSA po. Okay? And then for the opportunity, so before I proceed to the opportunity, kindly watch this video.
I Am Worldwide changed me a lot, hindi lang financially, even sa mindset. 9 years ako nag-work. Ang iniintay ko lang is kinsenas katapusan. With I Am Worldwide, in just 2 years, sobrang nabago yung buhay ko. Nakapagpagawa ako ng bahay, nakabili ko ng sasakyan.
Former backrider po ako, barker. So nagulat na lang ako, may na-discover akong ganitong opportunity. Sobrang ganda ng system ng company, sobrang dali, and fit siya sa lahat. So for everyone siya, kahit hindi ka nakatapos ng high school, pwede ka dito. So thank you, I Am Worldwide.
Noon talaga sumasakay tayo ng jeep, pumipila sa MRT, sumasakay ng motor para makapasok sa trabaho. Pero thank you kay I Am Worldwide kasi right now tapos na yung commute days dahil meron na tayong sariling expander. Truly a life-changing opportunity.
Papasalamat kami dahil nakita namin itong magandang opportunity sa I Am Worldwide. Dati kasi sa abroad, nung nagtatrabaho pa kami sa abroad, hindi namin alam kung paano namin i-budget yung pera, wala kaming naiipon. Ngayon na nakita namin yung I Am Worldwide, sinubukan lang namin siya. And then ngayon, for good na kami ng aking beloved.
Hindi na kami bumalik sa ibang bansa para mag-work ulit kasi yung kinikita namin sa ibang bansa dito.
In just 1 week, nahihit po namin yung 100,000.
Hindi talaga maganda yung buhay sa pagiging call center kasi you have to work for 8 hours
minsan 9 hours, extended pa minsan ng 10 hours, pero overtime, thank you, wala siyang bayad. Pero dito sa I Am Worldwide, nabigyan tayo ng time freedom. Ang maganda dito, hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng sahod na kinsenas katapusan. Kasi dito sa I Am Worldwide, kaya siyang kitain weekly.
My name is Mark Anthony Tamayo, and I just claimed the check of my wife, Ana Katrina Huertas Tamayo. It's 100,620 pesos.
Hi guys! Amazing morning! This is Christian Benancio. I'm a nurse by profession and a former BPO employee. And ito lang naman, ang check ko this week. It's a total of 154,000 pesos just for this week.
Nung nasa abroad ako, na-experience ko na mag-spend ng Christmas, ng bagong taon na parang regular na araw lang. Pero buti na lang, dahil sa opportunity ng I Am Worldwide, hindi ko na kailangan pumunta ng ibang bansa. Ang 1 month ko na income sa ibang bansa, dito kaya pong kitain ng 1 week lang.
I'm a former teacher sa Ateneo. I'm earning around 40,000 sa loob ng isang buwan. Doon sa ginagawa ko before, medyo matatagalan pa siya bago mo siya makuha. Ngayon, nakita ko yung I Am Worldwide, itong business opportunity na to. Nakita ko na mapapabilis nito yung pagkuha ko doon sa mga pangarap ko. Right now, okay, nararanasan ko na rin kumita. Sa loob ng 3 linggo, I earned 6 digit.
8 years ako nagtrabaho sa call center, pero sobrang hirap doon. Lagi ako araw-araw nagko-commute, lagi pagod gabi-gabi, pero buti na lang nakita ko tong I Am Worldwide. Ngayon dito, hawak ko oras ko, wala akong iniisip na boss, tsaka ang pinakamaganda dyan, nagdadrive ako ng sarili kong Mustang.
I've been doing I Am Worldwide for 2 years now, and naka-reach na rin ako ng up to 8 million. Before, graphic artist ako, and wala akong idea sa ganitong negosyo at all. And I was a fresh grad from PUP nung nakita ko yung ganitong klaseng business. So, nag-start ako dito. Of course, mahirap since hindi ko siya linya kasi psychology graduate ako, pero inaral ko lang din yung negosyo. So, ito yung sample ng check ko, weekly commissions ko. For the month of February, starting February 15, I earn 107,000 in 1 week. Another 7 days, that is Friday, February 22, I earn 397,000. And another week, March 1, 108,000. So a total of more than 600,000 in just 3 weeks. Ang good news niyan, hindi pa natatapos doon kasi after 1 week meron ulit. So this is my live check. Hindi na siya picture. So after a week, another March 8, 2019, another 111,000. So a total of 720,000 in just 1 month.
Amazing morning! Ako pala si Carlos Verdula, 24 old, back on the code, datong waiter, bartender, habal-habal, nagisiman, so lahat ginawa ko na. Pero sa I Am Worldwide, ang kinita ko po, 105,665 pesos in just 1 week!
Hello guys, ako naman si Arlene Fernandez. Dati akong factory worker sa Taiwan for 5 years. Pero ngayon full-time ako sa I Am Worldwide. Ngayon kumita ko ng 122,000 sa loob lamang ng 1 linggo guys. Dati kikitain ko sa abroad 6 na buwan. Ngayon 1 week na. Thank you, I Am Worldwide.
Hi guys, I'm Erica Soreda. Dati akong registered nurse and ginagawa kong I Am Worldwide full-time. Ito yung income ko sa loob ng 1 linggo. 151,000. Grabe!
Ako nga pala si Rex Bartolome, dating foreign exchange trader. Sumusweldo ng 10,000, pero dito sa I Am Worldwide, kumikita 1 linggo, 193,000. Grabe!
So this is just 5 simple steps on how you will start I Am Worldwide. Number 1, you need to avail because this is a business. Walang negosyong walang puhunan, pero as I've mentioned kanina, you don't need big capital. Okay, and then you need to use our products as I have mentioned din kanina, the products that we have. Number 3, you just need to share it. Okay, wala kang crew, wala kang rent, wala kang tubig, walang operating expenses. You just need to use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, kung ano mang social media ang gamit mo, even TikTok, you can do this. Okay, if you're doing or if you are fan of those social media applications that I have mentioned, I think you're doing it wrong if hindi mo siya ginagamit for business. Why? Because kumakain siya ng load, kumakain siya ng battery, kumakain siya ng electricity, pero hindi mo naman na-monetize. And because of this platform that I'm gonna be presenting to you, you should apply this. Okay, so I'm so excited because I know it will really benefit you. Okay, and then last po is you will learn. Okay, so that's our fourth step, you will learn. Okay, and then ito na yung pinaka-last, sorry pala, ito yung pinaka-last, you will earn. Okay, meron yung nakasaad dyan. Okay, nakasaad, malalim nakataga, in 13 different ways. So we have 13 different ways daw pala. Okay, so how you will earn, ito na siya. Ito yung mga benefits. Once you avail this kind of package, you will be given 100% worth of products na nilabas mo. So para ka lang nag-grocery, para ka lang bumili ng iPhone, para ka lang bumili ng TV, ng laptop. Okay, you have lifetime discount up to 50%. Meaning to say, lahat ng products, majority, makukuha mo na lang ng half the price if you will become a distributor. And then you also have the online tracking account. 24/7 you can monitor your earnings there. And we have world-class trainings, including meron po tayong free course dito, which is BSHM. What is that? That is Bachelor's of Science on How to Become a Millionaire. Hindi siya tinuturo sa school, pero dito sa I Am Worldwide, free po siya na ituturo sa inyo. Wala din po tayong tuition fee na kailangan bayaran. Of course, it comes with marketing folder, the brochure, the flyers, the forms. So lahat ng marketing tools na kailangan mo, ipoprovide na rin namin. Lifestyle incentives including the gadget, travel car, and a house and lot is given for free. And of course, we have this prosperity program wherein you will earn 11 ways. So ito yung best package natin. So for the Jade package, we have 198,800. Pag nag-avail ka niyan, 100% ibabalik din sa'yo through form of products. Okay, good news dyan, meron ka pang voucher. So yung voucher na yan, kapag ka in-avail nyo po yan, that's 10,000 free ibibigay sa'yo times 10. Meaning to say, may libre ka na 100,000 worth of voucher for free sa'yo na yun. Okay? So ganun kaganda yung product na yan and yung package na yan. Okay, kasi on top of your 198, may 100,000 pang free. So bali, 300,000 lahat halos yung free sa'yo. Of course, we also have the Platinum package. So for the Platinum package, 112,000. And then may kapalit din siyang product. Yun nga lang, wala na po siyang free na voucher. Kaya best po yung isa. Okay, and then of course, we also have the Gold package, which is 44,800. And then kung ano lang yung nilabas mo, yun lang din yung babalik sa'yo. So for the Silver package, this is 16,800. This is our students package. So ito yung pinakamura na, okay, na ma-offer namin sa inyo. Okay, so paano ka mag-earn sa business na to? Number 1 is through retailing. So enjoy up to 50% discount on all health and wellness products of I Am Worldwide. Meaning to say, may discount ka pala na up to 50%. So paano ka kikita dyan? Ganito yan. Example, distributor ka. And then nagbenta ka ng barley. Ang barley natin is 1,000 lang per box. And then mabibili lang niya ng 50% ka. So that's 500 pesos. So ang earnings mo is 500, 100% halos yung profit mo. Okay, and then ang kagandahan dyan, what if makabenta ka ng 10 sa isang araw, eh di meron kang 5,000. Same with Acai Berry with collagen natin, 1/4 lang yun, ang isang box nun. Pero mabibili lang siya ng 700, so may 700 ka din na income. Meaning to say, pag nakabenta ka ng 10, so you have 7,000 income. Okay, so for our prosperity, eto, sample earning po ito ng isang dating empleyado doing the business, Mr. Neil Joseph Riego. So ito po yung sample na kinita niya during pandemic. So ito din po, nag-earn din siya ng 1 million because of the business. And ito si Jean Mantala, because of the business, ito po yung sample income niya. Lockdown po yan and nag-earn siya ng 3 million in the business. Hannah Jane De Jesus, estudyante po to, undergraduate. So high school graduate nga lang po yung nakalagay and then 20 years old, pero kumita po siya 124,000. So for our second way of earning, meron po tayong tinatawag na wholesale package commission. Example, you avail Jade, may 20,000 kapag ka naka-refer ka nun. Kapag Platinum, 9,000. Pag Gold, 3,500. Pag Silver, 1,500. So paano nangyayari yun? Your income may vary, depends on your package. As I've said nga kanina, the bigger the package, the bigger the earning. So ito naman po yung sales match bonus natin. This is our third way of earning. So how you will earn, meron kang tinatawag ng left sales team and right sales team. Once na maka-refer ka ng isa sa left, you will earn 9,000. Supposing na ang na-refer mo is Platinum, sa kabila is ganun din. Okay, and then pag na-detect ng system na merong isa sa left and isa sa right, may magpe-pair dyan kasi lahat ng package is may corresponding points. So for the Platinum, meron siyang 4,000 na points, may 4,000 din na points yan. Ngayon, i-add lang yan ng computer. So pag na-detect ng computer na may isa sa left, may isa sa right, meron kang i-add lang yun. 4 plus 4 is 8,000. So, ang total na kinita mo sa dalawang tao is how much? 26,000. Ang kagandahan dyan, possible ba na mag-refer sila? Yes, magre-refer din yan. Magre-refer din itong nasa baba. Ang kagandahan, pag nag-pair yan, from left and right, itong color na to, Platinum, so may 4,000 din yan. Pag in-add mo yan, that is na 8,000. plus etong isa nasa inner, this is Jade. So 5,000 yan, pagka inat mo yan, that is 10,000. So lahat yan pasok sa income mo. Okay, so on and so forth. So ito naman yung feasibility study natin. Kunwari January ngayon, tapos ang goal mo lang is mag-refer ka na ng tig-isa sa left and tig-isa sa right. As you can see, so may isa ka lang dito and may isa ka lang din dito throughout the year. Okay, so ang kagandahan dyan, pag nag-avail yung mga yan, possible bang magre-refer din sila? Yes, magre-refer din yan. So possible, pagdating ng February, nag-stop ka na, yung tig-isa mo dito sa left and sa right is magtitig-dalawa lang din dyan. Okay, magtitig-isa lang din sila, pero ang reflex sa'yo nun is dalawa. Hanggang sa so on and so forth, pababa ng pababa hanggang dito. Possible, in 1 year sa nilabas mo, meron kang, how much? Pag platinum ang nilabas mo, in 1 year, meron kang 32 million. Pag jade, may 41 million. Pag gold, 12 million. Take note, ang pinag-uusapan lang po dyan is tig-isa. Tig-isa sa left and right na nagtig-isa na nagtig-isa na nagtig-isa. What if hindi lang tig-isa yung gawin nila? Okay, next natin is infinity bonus. So ito, another earnings po ito. So take down notes nyo kasi baka malito kayo. So pagka silver package natin, may 500 additional commission ka. Pag gold, 1,000. Pag platinum, 2,000. Pag jade, 3,000. So how does it work? Ganito yan. Diba magkakaroon ka ng left and right sales team mo? Okay, what if may pangatlo ka starting from your third? So, ibig sabihin, pag nauna ka, benefit mo, kaya maganda mauna ka kaagad kasi yung next na i-refer sa'yo, magiging under mo pala. Okay, so nagkatao ka kaagad ng isa sa left and right mo. Okay, di ba sa left and right yan? So, mayroon ka kaagad sa left. Tama? So, balik tayo sa illustration. So, what if may pangatlo ka? Yung pangatlo mo, first two nang i-refer ng pangatlo mo, meron kang infinity commission. So, makukuha mo siya sa first two. Okay, take note ha. Sa first two mo siya makukuha. Kaya, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, importante na i-workout natin yung business. Okay, so sa first two, kunwari, gold yan, so you have 1,000. So, sa first two ng first two, may 1,000 ka. First two ng first two ng first two, may 1,000 ka. Okay, lahat yan pasok sa income mo. Ngayon, may ka-pair ba sa kabila? So, wala pang ka-pair dito sa kabila. Pero, may earnings ka na kaagad. Paano kung mabait si Lord? Binigyan ka pa ng pang-apat, okay? Kasi ang sabi dyan sa infinity bonus, first two of your third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Kaya nga sinabing infinity, walang katapusan. Okay, so kung may pang-apat ka, first two ng first two niyan, meron ka pang 1,000. Depende po sa in-avail. Kung gold and platinum, that is, kung gold po 1,000, kung platinum 2,000. Okay, depende. Pataas po yan ng pataas. Okay? So, lahat yan earnings mo. Iba pa po yung nag-pair na 3,000 kasi yan ay gold. So, may nag-pair po na 3,000. Lahat yan, pasok sa budget mo. Okay, pasok sa income mo yan. Meron pa tayong tinatawag na fifth way of earning. This is what we call check match commission. Meaning to say, sa lahat ng kinomisyon ng tao mo, dun sa nag-pair sa left and right, may porsyento ka. Okay, example, ikaw to. Okay, naka-refer ka. Kunwari, kumita ng 100,000 yung isa mong na-refer. So, kung ikaw ay naka-silver package, you have 5%. So, that is automatically 5,000. Kunwari, ikaw ay naka-refer ng isang tao na kumita ng 500,000 at ikaw naman ay naka-gold package. So, 8% ang makukuha mo doon. So, meron kang 40,000. Kunwari naman, ito naman, ang in-avail mong package is platinum or jade. So, may na-refer ka na tao na kumita ng 6 million, may porsyento ka sa kinita niya, which is 10%, that's 600,000. And then, yung last na tao na na-refer niya naman, kunwari 7 million, and you have 10% if you are in jade and platinum package, so you have 700,000 commission, okay? On top of all the commission that I have mentioned kanina. And then, ito naman, give me 5. So, ito, para mas madali nyo maintindihan, all packages are entitled with the give me 5. Ano ba yan? Example, wala akong ma-refer na malalaki, puro maliliit lang. Okay lang. Example, ang na-refer mo, ayan, so na-refer mo is 5 na silver. Okay lang. Kasi ang referral lang naman natin, as I've mentioned kanina, ito yung negosyo na hindi mo kailangan ng crew, hindi mo kailangan ng expenses. Okay, so magre-refer ka lang naman through Facebook, through Instagram, or through YouTube. Okay, so ang kagandahan, naka-refer ka ng 5 kunwari na silver. Okay, so naka-refer ka ng 5, ang total commission mo dyan is 5 na 1.5, sorry. Okay, so that is 7.5. Ang kagandahan dyan, pag na-detect ng system na may nag-pair, alam naman natin ang pairing yan is 1,000, and ito naman is 1,000. Total na kinita mo is 9.5. Okay, plus, mayroon pang ang tinatawag na give me 5 bonus, meaning to say, pag nakompleto mo yung 5, in no particular time, you have 15,000. Meaning to say, ang in-earn mo is 24,500. All packages pasok dyan. From jade to silver, may kikitain kang 24,500. Basta makarefer ka ng 5 na silver. Okay? No time frame yan. Okay? And this is unlimited. So, ito naman. Kalimutan mo na lahat. Ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat ng mga kitaan. Just for you. Okay, so ito tandaan mo lang. Yung just for you natin, nagdi-differ siya. Depende kung ano yung package na meron ka. So, itong just for you commission na ito po is entitled lang for gold, platinum, and jade. Meaning to say, hindi po ito entitled sa silver package. Example, naka-gold package ka. Ang gagawin mo lang, magre-refer ka lang ng 4. I-shortcut ko na ha. Ito, pag naka-refer ka ng 4, total na kukomisyon nyo po, kasama yung payring, ito po nasa screen, is 20,000 pesos. Okay, di ba naka-4 ka? Pag naka-4 ka, may bonus ka na 40,000 pesos. Ang total na kinita mo is how much? 60,000. Okay, may produkto ka pang nakuha dyan. Take note, yung sinabi kanina. So, parang libre na lang yung produktong nakuha mo. Kumita ka pa ng 60,000. Okay, no time frame yan, unlimited. Ito naman, sa platinum. Pag naman po naka-avail tayo ng platinum, refer ka lang ng 4. Ito po yung total na commission mo. That is 52,000 pesos. Okay. Ngayon, naka-refer ka na ng 4, may just for you bonus. Basta makompleto mo yung 4, that is 100,000. So, total of 152,000. Yan lahat yung kinita mo. Ngayon, ang kagandahan dyan, wala din siyang time frame and this is unlimited. Kagandahan po dyan, nirefer kanina sa gold, 4 pero 60k. Ito po, nirefer sa platinum is 4 pero ang kita 152. So, same na 4 lang din ang i-refer. Pero ito yung pinaka-best sa lahat. Sa 4 na i-refer nyo po sa Jade package, ito siya. Okay, ang total na earnings mo sa 4 na nirefer mo sa Jade package is 100,000. Plus, may bonus po na just for you bonus na 200,000. So, ang total is 300,000. Plus, may product ka pang nakuha. Plus, may voucher ka pa na 100,000 na free. So, ang kagandahan po dyan, sobrang ang dami ng binalik sa'yo. Almost 700,000 to 800,000 pag nabenta mo pa yung products. Ang babalik sa 198,000 na nilabas mo sa Jade. Kaya, pinaka-best po natin is Jade. Okay, no time frame and unlimited. Kaya, kung pupunta ka na lang din naman sa package, go with the highest package na kasi ito yung may malaking earnings. Ayan, ito naman si Miss Precious Grace Capili. If makikita nyo po, kumita po siya ng unlimited kasi pwede siyang ulit-ulitin. So, 2 times siyang nag-earn sa Give Me 5. 6 times po siya sa gold na nag-just for you. 2 beses sa platinum and 2 beses sa jade for a total of 1.3 million. Okay, yan ang kinita niya. Or $25,000. Okay, so ganyan kaganda po yung sistema natin with I Am Worldwide. Okay, so next naman natin is number 8, rebates. Sa lahat po ng bibili ng tao mo at ikaw, may ikikitain ka. Okay, ang tawag po dyan is wise consumerism. Kasi sa ibang tindahan, bumibili din naman po tayo ng mga kape, bumibili tayo ng mga iba't ibang juices. Pero ang kagandahan po, wala tayong kinikita. Okay, kapangitan pala, hindi pala kagandahan. Pero dito po, kapag ka nag-avail ka nito, may 1% ka na makukuha or ma-avail na produkto sa atin, na earnings. Okay, 1%. Meaning to say, first level po, yan yung ni-refer mo. Okay? Second level, ni-refer na nitong first level mo. Third level, ni-refer na nito. Fourth level, ni-refer na yan. Paakyat ng paakyat. Pero may porsyento ka po dun. Okay? So, 1% siya. Kaya, makikita nyo nga po dito, oh, sa wise consumerism pa lang, kumita po siya ng 1 million because bumili yung tao niya pababa. So, kailangan marami ka lang tao na mag-a-avail or bibili ng product. And ito naman, 9th way of earning natin. 9th way of earning po natin, purchase 3,000 worth of products lang po to qualify sa monthly draw. So this is Project 001. Bibili ka lang ng 3,000 worth of product, may raffle entry ka na. Ito yung mga kinita ng company, pinapamigay nila through cash. Okay, 10% na kinita ng company sa products. Okay, so yan po yung mga nanalo, makikita nyo sa screen. And number 10 po natin is travel and gadget incentive. And then number 11 is car and house and lot incentive. Hindi lang nagkasya sa screen. Okay? And then, ito naman, meron din tayo pong mga promo. So, makikita nyo po, meron dyang mga promo for gadgets. And then, meron din po tayong mga incentive for car. So, i-hit nyo po yung mga incentive na yan. So, may mga incentive po tayo dyan. And then, ito naman, may coverage po yan. Okay? So, these are almost na po yan, patapos na. So, i-explain namin yan once napasok ka na sa business kung paano mo ba makukuha yan. Pero, in short, you just need to have a specific number of volumes na papasok na magbe-member sa account mo. Team effort, hindi mo effort. Pero, effort ng buong team mo pababa. Okay, so hindi mo siya gagawin na mag-isa. And this is for everyone. So why you should join now? Ito po yung benefit. Pag nag-start ka na ngayon, supposing this is you, pag nakapasok ka na ngayon, next na ma-refer namin, automatic under na yun ang account mo. Okay, ngayon, yung taong yan, pag yan nag-refer din, under na rin yun ang account mo. So for sure, pag nag-refer din yan na nag-refer, pababa, lahat yan, under na ng account mo. Ano ang benefit niyan? Kada may ma-under sa'yo, may points kang makukuha. Ang tawag yan, spillover. So unlimited ang spillover na makukuha mo, plus may points. Kunwari, this is platinum. So you have 4,000 points, 4,000. Kunwari, this is gold, kaya 1,500. Ito namang isa, silver, kaya 500. Etong isa, gold, 1,500. Plus ito, 5,000 kasi jade. Meaning to say, kapag naka-refer ka ng mga yan, I mean, wala ka pa palang nare-refer, sorry. Kasi nilagay lang sa ilalim mo yan, pero points mo na yan agad. Okay, earnings mo na tong lahat. So ano ang gusto mo? Imbis na ikaw pa yung mapunta dito at maging isa ka sa mga points nila or maging isa ka sa mga pang 5,000 nila, kunwari. Okay? Diba? So imbis na earnings mo na yan, sa'yo na kaysa mapunta pa sa iba. So hurry and don't miss out. Okay, earn points now. Ito yung negosyo na wala ka pang ginagawa pero nag-earn ka na. So meron lang akong iiwan sa inyong Bible verse. This is Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. The plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in a future. Meaning to say, hindi po tayo magkaano-ano, baka hindi kita kakilala pero nakita mo tong video na to. I think there is a reason kung bakit mo to napanood. Sabi nga dito, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Why not to harm you? Because you can trust us. And then plans to give you hope in a future, because kung nangyari sa amin, possible mangyari din sa inyo. So thank you so much for your time. Contact the person who sent you this video presentation, and if you want more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. God bless everyone and see you around.